faucet is pretty similar like Moen. It looks same, don't see much difference. What we have here, it's already installed sprayer and head is already connected. And let's start, see how long it takes. To install KOHLER faucet, it's taken me just 1 minute 37 seconds. It's 1 minute less. And see how it's installed. It's good. I'm not able to turn. It's good, solid install. It's making me easier to install, and I don't worry about having something problem and they're gonna be loose and you have a problem. Water angle valve is on, and all what I need, just turn on the handle to let water running. But first, like any other faucet, by hand you disconnect the sprayer, open water, and make sure all air with all debris, everything just comes out from the pipe. And you don't have to make a clog inside the sprayer and lose the pressure. Right now, when we drain all debris and everything go through the pipe and water is clean, you open, it's normal, good pressure. Like always, it's easy turn, no problem. It's a longer hose than in the Moen, but longer because I don't have any point where to install it. You can do wherever you want. But it's normal working, it's good, and I like it. And let's see, just do full test. Moen, they doesn't full connected. This one is done full. And right now we tested the sprayer. Oh, I love this in KOHLER because you have a more pressure and you can clean the sink. They make a line and it's more territory when you can wash. When you need to wash your sink, it's really easy to wash it. I'm like KOHLER and I like this flat sprayer. It's way better to use. Right now we're gonna test it with a hydrojet. With a 4-cylinder diesel engine, and compressors make 4,000 psi water pressure when I do cut roots in a sewer pipe. But right now we're gonna be use 1,000 psi. It's what they do the most with water flow over here, and see what's happened with the faucet. It's not normally usage, it's just for the test and see what's happened. We'll leave it cartridges on and turn it on, see what's happened. What I see, water go through the supply line, go to the faucet, go through the cartridge, and going back to the sprayer and failed just where the sprayer is. But they don't fail where is the cartridge, and they don't fail where is inside the faucet. If you do installation KOHLER with this ring and 2 screws, you tighten that hard that you're not able to move if you really want the faucet. When they go back, they go by self with the weight all the way to the end, and you don't have to do anything. When you just leave it, they just click back and you're good. There's no problem. I'm surprised. I think for KOHLER we always pay just for the name and quality is same. It's what I think always. But I see way more quality on the KOHLER faucet. Just one thing what I don't like, and probably it's a little bit hard for the owner, when you install the click and when you have installed weight, you don't know, you don't have mark where is a better place to install the weight. My priority right now is going to be KOHLER.